Tippy toes, hands up in the sky. Okay. I hope you guys.
So everyone use your right hand. Right hand. Don't get in the ball. Use your fingertips. See how if you guys can do that. With the split stance first.
Hey, Brandon, can't move. But you can move your arms up. You can move your body. I won't be able to move. Stay still. You guys will be seated with us. Okay, does anyone have any questions? Yeah. What's your question, okay? What's your question? Yeah, for this first round, I won't move, so that. Okay. So our plan for today will be, we'll warm up. We'll do some ball handling. Use your other leg, put it close to your chest. Okay, now put it behind you like this. Take it off on the other side. Stretch your hands. We don't want anyone hurt themselves today. And then, when you guys make your way back to the baseline again, we're going to do something called open the gates. You got to touch the ground. Up, back, release forward, go, and go faster. It's almost handy. You guys want to jog. You guys are moving back. Don't stop, don't stop. It's almost 3 feet. Yeah, like that. Hold on over here. Hey, good job. And then over here. Okay, go all the way to the other side. After 5 pushes, you're gonna stand up. All the way to the end. Warm up. They did this strong ankles. Yeah, you guys did this job. Okay, and then you guys are all gonna listen to David and you
Got me.
good, that works. That works. Okay, does that make sense? Does anyone have questions? I want to make still keep talking.
That was definitely a lot. That was definitely a lot. We're counting that. We're counting that.
You never put a test in here.